Artificial intelligence has achieved a remarkable milestone, learning to recognize words like crib and ball by analyzing data from a camera placed on a baby's head. In a groundbreaking experiment, researchers believe this could uncover new insights into the mechanisms of human language. Before we start, don't forget to join our community by hitting that subscribe button below. Show us some love by giving it a thumbs up, and hey, if you found something valuable or entertaining, why not share it with your friends? Let's jump right in. The results suggest that AI can help us understand how humans learn, explained Wai-Kin Wong, co-author of the study and AI researcher at New York University. This challenges previous assumptions, as models like ChatGPT are trained on massive datasets, incomparable to a baby's real-world experiences. The AI system learned to recognize objects by associating images with corresponding words, without prior knowledge of language. This challenges theories that babies must have inherent language knowledge to make sense of words, noted Wong. The study provides a fascinating approach to understanding early language acquisition in children, said Heather Borthfeld, cognitive scientist at the University of California, Merced. From 6 months to about 2 years old, Sam wore a camera-equipped helmet for about 1 hour, twice a week. Researchers trained a neural network, mimicking the human brain's structure, using snapshots from Sam's videos and the corresponding words he heard at that moment. The model was exposed to 250,000 combinations of words and images recorded during activities like play, reading, and eating. Using a technique called adversarial learning, the AI learned to associate words with images, achieving a 62% success rate in object classification. For words like apple and dog, the model identified examples it had never seen before, averaging a successful recognition rate of 35%. The system excelled in detecting frequently appearing objects in the training data and objects with minimal variations. However, the study, based on data from a single child, raises questions about its generalizability due to varying experiences and environments. While challenging, the research suggests that babies learn from early days through correlations between different sensory sources. The findings also challenge the view that language acquisition occurs through complex mechanisms and sparse information, as proposed by linguist Noam Chomsky. This is among the strongest evidence suggesting specialized mechanisms are not necessary, said the researcher. Yet AI limitations exist, as it cannot experience interactions inherent in a real baby's life. The system struggled to learn the word hand, a fundamental term for infants. Wong pointed out, babies have their own hands and extensive experience with them. This is certainly an aspect missing from our model. While challenges persist, this study marks a significant step in understanding early language learning and the potential role of AI in unraveling the mysteries of human cognition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more scientific content. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking research in the ever-evolving intersection of artificial intelligence and human development.